Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look right here using only one eyeshadow palette. So yeah, if you wanna know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So for today's video, we are gonna use this eyeshadow palette right here. It is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette in the variant Hypnotic. Just by seeing this palette, you can say that the possibility is endless with this palette. As you can see, it's a perfect blend of black and browns and pinks and shimmer tones and warm tones and cool tones, shadows and everything you have in this palette. Also, it is very affordable. It retails for $9.50, but you can always get it for discount at Hawk Makeup, at Nykaa, at Myntra. I got this for 425 rupees. When I bought this, it was at 425 rupees, so you get almost 50% discount on these palettes. So yeah, you can buy this palette. Also, even if you don't have this palette, use whatever you have. It's not about the palette. This video is all about the techniques, how you can use your eyeshadow palette to create a full face of makeup. So you don't have to have this palette, you can do with whatever you have. So we'll start off with my brows. If you're following me on Instagram, you will know that I'm obsessed with soap brows these days, and if you're not following me there, please follow me there. I will leave the ID here somewhere, and I will also leave the link of my Instagram profile in the description box. I have already done the soap brows, so I just have to fill in the spars now, and for that I will use this black and this dark brown eyeshadow. I will mix these two shades and I will fill in my eyebrows. You can use the black shadow or the dark brown shadow only as your preference or as your brow color. I like to mix these two shades to fill in my eyebrows. Also, I have uploaded a short video on YouTube on how I do my soap brows. So if you wanna know, you can check that video out. Also, if you want a full dedicated video, long video on the soap brow tutorial, you can tell me on the comment box below, so I can make that for you guys. I'm done with my eyebrows. I will just slightly spool it out so that the color is evenly distributed. Okay, so I have primed my eyelids for the eyeshadow, and for today we are gonna create a very soft eye look because I have created very smoky and very glam looks on Instagram using this palette. If you haven't checked that out, go check that out on my Instagram page. So I haven't really created any soft and neutral look with this palette. So today I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna take this color first to set my eyelid and apply it all over my lid so that the eye concealer doesn't crease. Next, I'm confused, should I go for a pink look or a nutty brownie soft look? I think pink will go with my outfit today. Okay, let's do a pink look. I will take this shade right here. With a flat brush, I will coat the brush nicely with this color and apply it all over my eyelid. Just keep on patting the color until you get your desired pigmentation. Now we'll take a small fluffy brush. I will blend out the edges. fluffy brush, more fluffy brush than the previous one, and I will take this shade right here, a nutty shade, tap off the excess, and I will blend out the edges further. And now I will take this shimmer shade. I will take this with my finger, as these shimmers work best with your finger. You can apply it with your brush, but okay, I will show you the result with the brush and the result with your finger so that you know. I'm taking this flat shader brush and I'm taking this eyeshadow and applying it on the middle of my lid. You can see now I will apply it with my finger and now see the pigmentation. See the difference? So I like to work with my fingers with these shimmers, and yeah, I will leave it like this only. Now with the help of the same brush which I used for my eyebrows, I will take the black shade and I will apply a thin liner. This black shade is so pigmented, I mean no one can tell that you are wearing eyeshadow as an eyeliner. Okay, so I will quickly do the same thing on my other eyes and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my other eye and I also went ahead and did my base makeup, that is foundation, concealer, and set the base with some loose powder. Of course, you can't do these steps with your eyeshadow palette, but rest you can do with your eyeshadow palette. And next, I will do my lower lash line and then we will move on to our face makeup. So for lower lash line, I will take the same pink shadow from here. Also, if you're thinking why I'm wearing these crazy nail colors, because I'm doing a Pride look series on my Instagram where I'm creating Pride flag inspired looks every alternative day. I'm posting there, so definitely check the looks out. I mainly upload creative looks on my Instagram. I love doing cut creases and crazy makeups and patterns and those kind of makeup. I post that kind of makeup on my Instagram. If you're interested on that, you can definitely follow me on there. Okay, done with the pink shadow. Next, I will take the same nutty shade which I applied on my upper lid and I will blend that pink shadow. And yeah, we are pretty much done with our eyes. Next, we will move on to our face, and for that, first we will slightly contour slash bronze up our face using this same nutty shade right here. Taking the slightest amount on my brush, just on the excess, and I'm applied on my hollows of my cheek. Not exactly hollows of my cheek. I like to apply my one bronzer above the hollow of my cheeks. It gives my face a lifted effect. So I will apply it here. Okay, I'm done with bronzing my face. Next, definitely you guessed it correct, I will take this beautiful dusty pink shade right here and apply it on my cheeks as blush. I don't apply it on the apple of my cheeks. I don't like to apply it here. I apply it right above where I applied my bronzer so that it gives me a lifted effect. So taking this color slightly on my brush, taking out the excess and just patting the color and then blending it. Pat, pat, pat and then blend. Next, for my highlighter, I will use this shade right here. This shade looks gorgeous as highlighter. If you are lighter than me, then it will look so gorgeous on your skin tone. And if you are dark, 2-3 shades darker than me, then this particular shade will look gorgeous as highlighter on your skin tone. But today I'm going to use this shade right here as highlighter. This is not the smoothest shade, I would say, as highlighter. This has some chunky glitters, very little particles on it, but it looks very gorgeous on your face. Let me apply it. You can see how gorgeous it looks. I will also apply it on the inner corner of my eyes and also in my brow bone. I can't find a brush. Okay. You can see the difference on my eyes, how it instantly opens up your eyes, brighten up your eyes. So it's very important to apply highlighter on the inner corner. It makes your eye looks bigger and brighter. I'm also gonna apply it on my brow bone. Now for my lips, I will use the same pink eyeshadow which I used on my eyelid, which is this color. Apply a lip balm first so that the eyeshadow sticks on your lips properly. I have already applied lip balm so that the eyeshadow sticks. So now taking this eyeshadow with my finger, I'm taking this eyeshadow with my finger and tapping it on top of the lip balm. I should have applied it with a brush, but I applied it with my finger, so I messed up a little. So I will went off camera and clear the mess and apply some falsies, maybe apply some mascara and do my hair, and I will be right back. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. I didn't apply any falsies, I just applied a little mascara as I wanted to keep this look very simple. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you guys and you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and comment down on this video, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram. I will see you on my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.